So the first question, who gave the expanding universe hypothesis? Option number B is the correct answer, Edwin Hubble. Question number 2, which is by far the closest dwarf planet orbiting at the only 2.8 times Earth's distance from the Sun? Option number A, Ceres. Question number 3, the color of the surface of Mars is red because of the presence of large amount of chemical compound in it. What is the name of that compound? Option number C, iron oxide. Question number 4, which of the following planet's atmosphere is made up of thick white and yellowish clouds of sulfuric acid? Option number A, Venus. Question number 5, the length of a day on dash is approximately 16 hours. Option number D, Neptune. 6, who was the first to develop a mathematical predictive heliocentric model of the solar system? Option number A is the right answer, Nicholas Copernicus. Question number 7, a flat ring of small icy bodies that revolve around the sun beyond the orbit of the planet Neptune is called? Option number D, Kuiper belt. Question number 8, which scientist thought of the concept of the steady state of the universe? Option number C, Fred Hoyle. 9, cosmic snowballs of frozen gases, rock and dust that orbit the sun are known as? Option number D, comets. 10, in approximately how much time does Mars complete one spin on its axis? Option number D, 1 day. 11, in early 1610, who discovered with his newly invented telescope that Jupiter has 4 moons? Option number C, Galileo Galilei. 12, the torrid zone lies between? Option number C, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. 13, at what latitude does the easterly jet stream blow over peninsular India during the summer months? Option number C, 14 degree north. 14, in which month is the intertropical convergence zones ITCZ located around 20 degree north to 25 degree north latitude over the Gangetic Plain? Option number D, July. 15, which is the standard meridian of India? Option number B, 82 degree 3rd nautical east. 16, which is the water body that separates Andaman Islands and Nicobar Islands? Option number D, 10 degree channel. 17, the southern part of India lies in the dash belt. Option number D, warm belt. 18, Tropic of Cancer passes through dash state of India. Option number C, Chhattisgarh. 19, on which of the following two dates does the equinox fall? Option number C, 21st March and 23rd September. 20, what is the zone between the Arctic Circle and North Pole called? What is the zone? Option number B, frigid zone. 21, 1 degree latitude is equal to approximately dash kilometer. Option number A, 111. 22, which is the largest sea located in the North Indian Ocean, covering an area about 3.86 million square kilometers? Option number D, Arabian Sea. 23, in the context of water bodies, neap tides occur? Option number D, when the sun and moon are at right angles to each other. 24, which of the following is a landlocked salt lake in Southwest Asia between Israel and Jordan? Option number D, Dead Sea. 25, which ocean is encircling the continent of Antarctica and extends northward to 60 degrees south latitude? Option number D, Southern Ocean. 26. The name of the strait between the Pacific and Arctic Ocean, separating the Chukchi Peninsula of the Russian Far East from the Seaward Peninsula of Alaska, is the option number C, Bering Strait. 27. Which is the deepest point of Earth's ocean with a depth of 11,022 meters? Option number A, Pacific Ocean's Mariana Trench. Option number 28. What does El Nino refer to? Option number A, hot water current. 29. Which of the following ocean is surrounded by the continent of North America and South America to the east? Option number A, Pacific Ocean. 30. Which of the following oceans extends into the Mediterranean Sea? Option number C, Atlantic Ocean. 31. The Mohorovičić, short form Moho, discontinuity separates. Option number D is the right answer. Earth's crust and the mantle. 32. Which is the correct sequence of oceans according to the size from largest to smallest? Option number C, Pacific Ocean, then Atlantic Ocean, and then Indian Ocean, and last Antarctic Ocean. 33. The percentage of Earth's water found in the ocean is dash percent. Option number B, 97.2%. 34. How thick is the lithosphere? Option number C, 10 to 200 km. 35. Which of the following is a warm current? Option number D, Gulf Stream. 36. Ocean acidification is the ongoing decrease in the pH of the Earth's ocean caused by the uptake of dash from the atmosphere. Option number B, carbon dioxide. 37. The lowest known point on Earth is called dash, which is present in the Pacific Ocean. Here option number B is the right answer, Challenger Deep. 38. In coastal areas, during the night, wind blows from the land to sea because. Number C, water cools slower than land. Water cools slower than land. 39. The process of seepage of water into the ground is called. Option number A, infiltration. And the 40. Which is the largest continental shelf in the world? Option number D, the Siberian shelf in the Arctic. It is a homework, guys. Name the only sea in the world that does not have a land boundary. You have to answer up this question in the comment section. Alright. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, you can download PDF from my Telegram channel. The link in the description. Alright. Keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.